everyone, this is Michelle from Michelle's Home and Garden. Today I have something to show you. Do you have something that you're trying to camouflage in your garden? Be it an air conditioning unit, a garbage can, some kind of infrastructure type item that you really don't want to showcase and you would like to hide it? Well, I have been looking for something like this. So something that I could use to camouflage my air conditioner. And look what I found. I picked this up at my local Lowe's, and this comes in panels. And they show it online, but check, if you're interested, check your local Lowe's, because my local Lowe's had tons of these in stock. So you buy as many panels as you need to hide whatever it is that you do not want to have everyone see. And it comes with metal stakes on the bottom to easily put in the ground. But I'm going to show you what we had to do with our air conditioning unit. Now this is an extra panel that I bought to go along the front of the house by the garage to kind of camouflage our garbage can. So our garbage can sits on the north end of the garage, and just from the road I wanted to cover it up so that you wouldn't see it from the road. Now for access, I'm going to have to access it, so I'm not doing a complete box around it, but I am going to put this in the ground, and actually it was in the ground up front. My husband had already stuck it down in the ground and it was working perfect up there. But let me take you over to the air conditioner and show you how we put that up and what we had to do for that. Okay, as you can see, the air conditioning is running right now. It's a hot day, July the 3rd, and we are in the 90s today here in Illinois in Zone 5. So it doesn't cover up everything, of course. You can see my hose link is still showing, but I use that once or twice a day during the hot weather. So there is no point in camouflaging my hose link because I have it out all the time. But one important thing on the air conditioning unit, when you want to camouflage it, you still need the ventilation. So there has to be holes in it for ventilation. Now I did look on line for other options, and there are other options available, other colors available. I wanted white to go with the siding on the house. I also looked at do-it-yourself type options, like building something out of wood lattice. We used to have something like that, and obviously it didn't match, and I really like this because I think it camouflages more being white. It blends in more with the house and just helps the air conditioning kind of fade away more, but is still there. But the caveat here, the air conditioning sits on a cement pad, and the cement pad was wider at the base, at the bottom, than the actual panels. So there was no way, if I wanted 3 panels and I wanted them hooked together, to do that with the cement pad, because they wouldn't go down in the ground. There would have been a gap on each side to make that shape. So what my husband had to do, this is freestanding on the cement pad, and let me take you over and show you. Okay, I want to show you down at the base. You can see the pad, and because of the panel size, now what I could have done was, I could have done 2 panels in the front, but I really didn't think that was necessary, and I didn't want to do that. So, the bracket, you put a bracket on each side of the panel, and then just a 1x2 in between to hold it open. Let me take you around to the other side. And the bracket on that side. So this has been like this now. I've had it for a couple weeks. and we went through a few storms already, some weather storms, real windy weather. Didn't move, so it's doing great. Now it is freestanding, like I said, and so we'll have to see as the season goes on if we need to do something different. But I'm really liking the look of it, and I'm liking the way that they go together, because like I said, I did not want a big gap, so I think it helps to have those brackets. Now the brackets he did have to buy separately, and he just went to the local big box store, hardware store, and picked up some brackets to do that. Now if you look at Lowe's online, and I'll put their link down below in the description so you can see the panels yourself, but if you look at the reviews, they did get good reviews, but people also included pictures of different ways they did the panels. So if this is something that interests you, you might want to look at those pictures. And this is the vinyl. This is the white vinyl. So I like that as far as the maintenance free, that I don't have to worry about painting it. I don't have to worry about the wood chipping. And like I said, we had one similar previously that was made out of the wood lattice, and it was fine, but it didn't blend as well being wood. So I just wanted to show you that and give you some ideas if you're looking for something to camouflage that trash can or that air conditioning unit. Okay, and here I have the extra panel covering our garbage can. So that's how easy it is. It just goes into the ground wherever you need it to be to camouflage whatever it is you're not wanting to show out in your yard. And like I said, this way you can buy as many panels as you need for your project. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that this helps you cover up those things that you don't want to show in the garden, and gives you a way to disguise it and make it look prettier. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.